Toothpaste on your face. Go wash this off. Are you guys having fun? Ends. Look at that, that's so cute. We're getting stuff to fix the broken pipe under our dryer. You want one more? You're crazy. Are you Mini Bella? Are you Mini Bella?
Hi.
You want to hug me?
I don't even remember where I got this one.
Audrey, you're mean. Audrey, you're mean. Be nice to me. Okay. That's not Bella, that's you. Audrey. Are you doing a puzzle? All right, here we go. Round 8. All right, we got halfway through and the tools don't work, but this is what happens when you're like, no, we should just get the cheaper one. This is $7. Let's not get the $25 tool. And now she's gonna go get the $25 tool. So new tool acquired. Oh, progress is being made. Hell yeah. Look at that, a code. She's coded. All the way up to code. Look at all that. Garbage, what does he do? Why? Yay. Okay, we're gonna let that sit and then run the washer. Audrey!
And now it's time to add the glitter sign. This is my makeup.
Do you like it? Bless you. Why is mommy with you today?
I'm the student of the month.
Yes, you are.
Yay! Let's see, Boo-Boo.
Student of the month. Did you get a muffin? Now, enter the main drain, so we'll have to get it out. All right, don't tell my husband. We got an auger, and we think we got the clog out. Ew. So we're connecting everything back up. Okay, and we're gonna go run the wash. Okay, if it starts flooding up through there, We're doomed. It smells. I want to absolutely kill myself. I want to absolutely die in a fire. We did it! We did it! We did it! We don't need no freaking men! Okay, we gotta check the bathroom. Stella, what happened? Did you have your first ride with no diaper?
Yeah.
And you're dry?
No, this is her second time.
You're amazing, Stella. Say, I did it. I did it. These postpartum hairs should go to jail. Hi, it's Friday. What's up? Today, I look like this right now. I'm so beautiful. I am going to try to eat the recommended protein amount of dietitians, which is my body weight in protein per gram. My body weight per gram of protein. So, we're gonna try to eat 250 grams of protein. First things first, protein coffee. This has 40 grams of protein. I put 2 scoops of protein. 1 protein coffee. I have to write this down, otherwise I will lose it. Then, because 40 grams isn't enough, because I need to eat 250 grams. By the way, I don't eat that much. So I'm trying to figure out how to jam pack this protein into my diet. Anyway, I had 4 eggs. Siri, how many grams of protein does 1 large egg have? 6 grams of protein. I have 83.5 grams of protein for breakfast. If I can manage to finish all of this food, eat this. This is my little breakfast quesadilla thing, and I'm dipping it in my sour cream with a little bit of salsa to probably go ham on laundry and take a shower. That sounds like what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I might not shower because today's get my life back together day. Get everything back on track. My sister bought a steamer, so I'm borrowing it, and I'm gonna go steam the bathtub and the entirety of the downstairs, basically. And I have my washer and dryer back. She's working and not leaking. Good job, girly. We're thriving. We're thriving. All right, goal. Clean the toilet, all of the floor behind, just like really clean. It's pretty clean for the most part because I got to it quick, but I need to disinfect these. But I think I'll just throw them in the bath with like Lysol after. This is the big project for the day. I need to throw that away, basically, but need to steam clean this whole thing, clean the toilet. This is not as bad, and clean the sink and the shop vac, probably the boots, but it's gonna be great. I got my steam cleaner ready to go. I'm gonna go fill it up and get it all going, and yeah, and then I'm gonna just steam clean like all the floorboards. I'm just getting it all. We're cleaning. All right, she's prepping. I got this bad boy hose on her. We're gonna go to the toilet, and then I'm gonna move on to the bathtub. Okay, that needs to be sanitized, but I have my garden hose thing. I can't decide if I want to keep these. I kind of hate them. They're breaking. I think I'm just gonna throw them away regardless. Hi, I'm cute. Sink, clean, bag of garbage. I could probably put in there. This is my bucket of ew. Look. Ta-da! Look at her. Look at her. She is immaculate. I love the steamer. However, you definitely have to scrub like everything before you use it. But I've just been steaming everything. And then after I'm done cleaning all of this, I am gonna remove this floorboard. I don't get it. And we're gonna redo the floor. And I just need to show you this, guys. What did he build this shower? It's literally like a particle board with like regular metal screws. This whole shower has to come down, and I have to redo the back and like gut this entire thing because this is completely not water safe. Like this is not how you, what? It's like disintegrating. I'm sprayed bleach on the rust stains and I'm gonna let that go. But all of the ceiling has to come out. Like I have to take out this whole bathroom. I'm gassing myself with the bleach. I have just been like sucking up the dirty floor water with the, not the dirty, but like the floor water that came off. I think I'm gonna take these out. I'm gonna sanitize her, gonna take this out to the garbage, gonna take all of that out to the garbage, and then hopefully the bleach will have set enough to like bleach out that rust. Not that it matters, but anyway, and then I'm gonna steam clean the floor. Ew, why? Just why? Why? Last step, doing the floor. Look how clean. It's so nice and clean. Those are just the cups for the steamers. It's so clean. Why is this still sopping wet? It's concerning me. I'm gonna shower. She's gone. But that means she's healing. My sister was staying with us while she was recovering from surgery, and now she's home. Andrew Huberman says to make a beeline for sunlight when you wake up, so here we are. What you doing, Mama? The bubble. Oh, the ball. Yeah, take it outside. They're not there yet.
Your bicycle? The one that you have, you don't like it? Oh man. So mommy was like, she didn't want you to play your bike? Jeez.
Look at Juju. Good. Jeez. Juju's turn.
Take a big bite.
I don't want to bite.
You don't want a bite of the sushi? Here's with the sauce. Oh, she's thick, Daddy. That's where all of our babies went. Thanks. Thanks. appreciate you so much. You're the real G.